In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files into folders in Google Drive. Now, many of us rely on Google Drive for storing and organizing our documents, images, and other important files. It offers a convenient way to ensure that your files are accessible from anywhere. But keeping them organized can be a bit challenging if you're not familiar with the interface. That's why today we're going to focus on how to efficiently move files into folders, which will help you maintain a neat and tidy virtual workspace. To get started, you'll first want to open up your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Simply type Google Drive into your search engine and click on the first link that comes up. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Drive homepage. From the homepage, you'll see the My Drive tab, which is where all your files and folders are stored. To locate the file you want to move, you can browse through your files directly from this view. Now, once you've identified the file you'd like to move, hover over it, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing at the top right corner of the file icon. This icon is known as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option called Organize. Click on Organize and a new window will appear, showcasing your folder structure within Google Drive. Here, you will need to select the destination folder for your file. If you haven't created the necessary folder yet, you can do so by clicking the New Folder option and naming your new folder accordingly. Once you've selected the appropriate folder, click the Move button. This action initiates the file transfer process to the selected folder, essentially cleaning up your file storage. It's as simple as that. If you need to double-check, you can navigate to the specified folder to ensure the file has been properly moved. Not only does this process keep your Google Drive organized, but it also optimizes your searchability within Drive, making it easier to find what you need promptly. By taking a few moments to move your files into the correct folders, you can maintain a more streamlined and efficient digital workspace. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. For more organizational tips and Google Drive tutorials, be sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.